and good afternoon everyone. I am speaking to all of you, I think after a while in this format. So let me first of all welcome all of you to Plutus Education. I'm sure you have been tracking the amazing work that Plutus Education has been putting out in the field of ACCA, CMA, CPA, US CMA, all of these courses, all of which promise to be a game changer for all the candidates out there. In India in 2025, and not just in India, across the world, the demand for chartered accountancy professionals is only going up by the day, and Plutus Education has been offering top-notch coaching and services to all the aspirants who want to appear for ACCA exams, who want to appear for CMA exams and other courses as well. You can think of Plutus Education as your one-stop shop for all your requirements when it comes to certifications in finance and accounting, and all of these are global certifications. I'm sure you have heard of ACCA, which has really been the talk of the town for the last so many years, I would say. Specifically, it has gained a lot of momentum in the last 2 to 2.5 years, where the number of professionals pursuing ACCA is only going up, and that too with good reason. ACCA right now promises to be one of the most valued and trusted professions when it comes to accounting, auditing and finance. ACCA professionals, through the rigorous training that they undergo, through the knowledge that is imparted to them, have become the most sought after professionals in the field of financial reporting, in the field of auditing, be it taxation, be it advisory. You only need to look at ACCA professionals in order to hire some of the best talents out there in the industry. What ACCA profession does for you is that it transforms you as a finance professional. You are no more a simple bookkeeper, you are no more a simple accountant. You graduate from being an accountant to being a certified chartered accountant, a truly global qualification that opens up opportunities for you not just in India but everywhere in the world. In fact, ACCA as a qualification is recognized in 180 plus countries, and you can think of this qualification as a passport to some amazing heights in your career. So if you are looking out for creating and building a career in finance and accounts, then ACCA should be the answer to that question. And your quest for ACCA ends with Plutus Education. Plutus Education, with its top-notch mentoring, with its top-notch faculties who have experience for the last so many years in tutoring and mentoring ACCA students, is really taking the game forward with top-notch delivery of coaching and some amazing passing results over the last so many quarters and years. What really matters is when you are studying to be an ACCA professional, you need to leave your career in the hands of those people who are most experienced to tackle it. If your faculties, your trainers are experienced and they have given these exams themselves, they would be in the best position to guide you, mentor you, and ensure that whenever you commence your ACCA journey, you get the right kind of hand holding and we help you take yourself to the finish line. So if you are looking out for a career in ACCA, then let me tell you, Plutus Education is the answer to all your queries that might come up in your head with respect to this qualification. Now, let me tell you something. Why am I connecting with all of you? The Plutus anniversary happened yesterday, and right now we are in a celebratory mode. This is not a celebration of just time. This is also a celebration of some of the best work that we have put in and bringing out the best coaching and mentoring and guidance for ACCA students. Plutus Education students continue to excel in all their ACCA exams, bringing top-notch results. And as a part of this celebration, we thought, why not include you in this celebration that we are doing at Plutus Education for the amazing results that we have produced and for all the top-notch work that has gone into producing qualified ACCA professionals. Now, I bring to you something which we have launched specifically for the Plutus Education anniversary. As you can see, we are launching our Super 50 batch, a unique batch with some really cool takeaways for you if you decide to enroll. Well, this is only eligible for the first 50 students on a first come first served basis. And let me tell you, if assuming that you join us for knowledge, skill and professional level, the 3 levels in the ACCA journey, we will give, if you have scored 75% plus average in knowledge, skill and professional exams. Now, what are these exams? The knowledge level exams, there are basically 3 papers: business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting. At the skill level, you have 6 papers: corporate and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, auditing and financial management. And at the professional level, you have 4 papers, out of which 2 papers are compulsory and 2 are optional. So as an ACCA student right now needs to write 13 exams in order to qualify as an ACCA professional. And if you end up scoring an average of 75% plus in all the 13 papers of ACCA from knowledge, skill and professional, you will be eligible to win a MacBook Pro from Plutus Education. Not just that, if you enroll with us for knowledge, skill, just 2 levels, or skill and professional, the next 2 levels, and you end up scoring 75% plus average in these exams, you will be eligible for an iPad. Which means if you join us for 3 levels and you end up scoring an average of 75% plus in all your exams, you stand a chance, no, you win a laptop MacBook Pro from Plutus Education. It's an assured something that Plutus Education is bringing out for you as a mark to celebrate the amazing results we have been delivering over the years. The Plutus Education anniversary in the Super 50 batch also brings for you a special feature where if you get an average score of 80% plus in knowledge, skill and professional level papers, you get the entire fee that you paid to Plutus Education refunded. Now, let me tell you, while it might sound daunting to some of you, I can guarantee you that scoring 80 plus in all the papers is not such a difficult task if you have the right people guiding you. People who are guiding you at Plutus Education are ACCA qualified professionals themselves. So when they mentor you, when they guide you on the right path, your chances of success are automatically increased. And don't think of only the prizes that you are getting. Also think about what it can do for your career. Imagine completing ACCA profession in a record time and getting the job of your dreams, be it in EY, be it in PwC, that is the big fours, or top tier consulting firms, be it in risk advisory, be it in taxation, be it in financial accounting advisory services. The opportunities for you are practically limitless, be it in India, be it in parts outside India. There are opportunities lined up for ACCA qualified professionals since the longest time, and these opportunities are only growing by the day. So if you want to secure your dream job and if you want to put your career on the right path, let me tell you, Plutus Education is where you have to be. And with, as a part of our celebratory innings, we are offering, I will repeat for all of you once again, we are offering the Super 50 batch, which is eligible, for which, the first 50 students will be eligible on a first come first served basis. Apart from that, if you enroll with Plutus Education for all the 3 levels, knowledge, skill and professional, you will be eligible to get a MacBook Pro, provided you have an average score of 75% plus in all the ACCA exams that you write. If you end up scoring an average of 80% plus in knowledge, skill and professional, this is again probably the most unique offering that we could bring for you, where you will get a refund for the entire amount paid. Imagine getting the entire amount refunded that you paid to Plutus Education, and all of this you only need to score an average of 80% plus in all the papers together, and this is what you get. So do not wait any further, guys. Make sure that you click on the description in the on YouTube channel and you make sure that you fill the form so that our expert advisors and counselors can reach out to you and they will help you master your ACCA journey. If you are watching us on Instagram, the link for the form is in the bio. All you have to do is you have to click the form and fill in your details and your job is done. Our expert counselors will reach out to you at the earliest and we will make sure that we guide you on the ACCA journey. With Plutus Education, you can be assured that you are in safe hands with trainers and faculties who know what they are doing. So do not worry about these aspects any further, and let me reiterate one more feature. If you end up getting an average of 75% plus in knowledge skill, that is 2 levels, or in skill professional, that is another 2 levels, you will be eligible for an iPad. So your ACCA journey, you are getting the knowledge and training in one of the most esteemed professions globally. You are getting amazing career opportunities lined up for you, not just in India, but across the world. And at the same time, you are getting an opportunity to win these exciting takeaways. So think no further, guys. I'm Satyamay Nandedkar, and I have been a faculty myself for the last so many years, having mentored around 15,000 students and producing more than 25 India and global ranks over the course of last so many years. With Plutus Education, I can assure you, you will be in safe hands and we will handhold you to victory. So do not delay your decision any further, guys. I will repeat once again, the link is in the bio on our YouTube video. And if you are joining us via Instagram, make sure that you click on the bio part and you will have the link for the form. Make sure that you fill the form. People who have joined us on YouTube, the link is in the description. Make sure that you click it and fill in all your details, and we'll have our expert counselors reaching out to you for giving you the guidance that you need. So do not delay any further, guys. I am looking forward to seeing all of you in days to come in our batches. And not only that, I'm looking forward to mentoring each one of you and taking you to the next level, which is the completion of your ACCA journey. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us today on our YouTube platform and via Instagram. You know, if you're watching us on YouTube, the link is in the description. If you are on Instagram, the link is in the bio. Quickly fill the form, guys. There is no time to be lost. This is the right time to take the next step in your career. I am looking forward to seeing all of you. Thank you.